Are you planning to manufacture, import, or sell virtual reality headset, augmented reality glasses, or mixed reality devices in India? An important regulatory change has been introduced that demands your immediate attention. The Bureau of Indian Standards, commonly known as BIS, has officially brought extended reality products under the Compulsory Registration Scheme (CRS). Without BIS registration, these products cannot be legally sold in the Indian market. After the notified deadline in this video, we will explain everything you need to know about BIS CRS registration for AR, VR and MR devices under IS 62368 Part 1, including compliance requirements, documentation, registration procedures, cost, and how ERCs Private Limited can help simplify the entire certification process. So stay tuned until the end. What are extended reality products? Extended reality devices are advanced technology-based devices that provide engaging and immersive experience by blending digital content with the real world and allowing users to interact with both physical and virtual elements. Extended reality, commonly known as XR, is an umbrella term that includes augmented reality AR devices, virtual reality VR devices, mixed reality MR devices. These advanced technologies are transforming industries such as gaming, education, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, training and stimulation, entertainment. As the adoption of XR technology continues to increase, ensuring product safety and reliability has become essential for consumer protection. This is why BIS has introduced mandatory compliance requirement for these products. Understanding IS 62368 Part 1. IS 62368 Part 1 is a globally recognized safety standard adopted by India for audio, video, information technology and communication equipment. Unlike traditional standards, IS 62368 Part 1 follows a hazard-based safety engineering approach. This means manufacturers must identify potential hazard and implement appropriate safeguards to protect users. This standard applies to VR headset, AR smart glasses, mixed reality devices, controllers, interactive displays, power supplies, chargers, batteries, associated accessories. Important safety requirements under IS 62368 Part 1. Hazard-based safety engineering manufacturers must identify and control energy sources that may create safety risks for users. The goal is to prevent injuries through effective product design and safety mechanism. Energy source classification. The standard evaluates different categories of energy sources, including electrical energy, thermal energy, mechanical energy, radiation energy, and chemical energy. Manufacturers must ensure that these energy sources remain within safe operating limits. Equipment coverage. The standard covers electronic product operating at rated voltages up to approximately 600 volt. This includes XR hardware and associated equipment, accessories, and components. Compliance testing is not limited to the main device. The following components are also evaluated: power adapters, chargers, batteries, cables, external power supplies, performance and construction requirements. Manufacturers can demonstrate compliance through performance-based evaluation or construction-based evaluation. Both methods must meet the required safety objectives specified under the standard. Essential requirements for BIS CRS registration. Before applying for BIS CRS registration, manufacturers must understand 4 important requirements: manufacturer's eligibility BIS issues the CRS license only to the manufacturers. Importers, distributors, and traders cannot obtain the license in their only manufacturing location. Every manufacturing facility requires a separate BIS registration. If production takes place at multiple factories, each facility must obtain an independent registration certificate. Product category. Each product category requires a separate registration. However, multiple models within the same product category are often covered by a single registration certificate, brand or trademark. Each brand or trademark associated with the product requires separate approval under the BIS CRS framework. Now let us understand what are the documents required for BIS CRS registration. The following documents are generally required during the application process: BIS application form, CDF and CCL documents, manufacturing license, scope of business license, ISO certificate, product marking label, authorization letter, trademark registration certificate, trademark authorization letter, AIR documents for foreign manufacturers, product technical specification. Preparing accurate documents help avoid delays and reduces the possibility of objection from BIS. BIS registration process. Let us understand the registration process. Step 1. Identify the Indian standard. Step 2. Documentation and application submission. Step 3. Sending sample to BIS approved lab for testing. Step 4. Submission of test reports along with the BIS fees. Step 5. Review of BIS application. Step 6. Grant of BIS certificate. Please note, foreign manufacturers must appoint an authorized Indian representative AIR for obtaining BIS certification. Need assistance with BIS CRS registration for AR, VR or MR devices? Contact ERCS Private Limited today. Our certification experts are ready to guide you through every stage of the BIS approval process. Call us now, visit our website or leave your question in the comment section below. If you found the video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for the latest update of BIS ISI certification, BIS CRS registration, TEC certification and other Indian regulatory compliance. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.